In early June of 2004, Buchanan Pump Service sold Mossy Creek Mine a Dragflow pump. What you are viewing is old runoff masonry sand from a mine that had been in operation since the 80s. Upon closing this mine, Mossy Creek's personnel decided to incorporate the use of the Dragflow provided by Buchanan Pump Service, along with a 3-man crew and a boom truck for the recovery work. This pump has been operating at 500 gallons per minute, 25 to 30% solids, 5 days a week, 9 hours a day, producing approximately 400 tons of sand a day. The sand is pumped through approximately 300 feet of 4-inch poly pipe with about 18 feet of static lift from a 1,400 by 600 foot sand-filled pond that is 30 to 70 feet deep. At this point, it is directly discharged into a Denver 6 by 6 by 12-inch slurry pump powered by a 50 horsepower motor. All of this recovery work is discharged into a cyclone that separates the water and sand. This normally results in 400 tons of clean sand per day that sells for $14 to $17 per ton, generating approximately $30,000 per week. The life expectancy of this job is around 10 years. This is quite remarkable for such a small crew and the amount of equipment used. As you can see, the Dragflow pump will operate in the most hazardous conditions. The pump model incorporated by Mossy Creek is a Dragflow, a solid mover at 35 horsepower, 1180 RPM with 1.30 service factor, capable of pumping up to 70% solids by weight. It comes complete with a 65-foot cable, overloads, and has 28% high chrome wet end parts. It also has an agitator on the bottom of the impeller and is capable of pumping 1 3/8 inch diameter of solids. It weighs 1,653 pounds. Another unique feature of the Dragflow is the 5 lip seals with a freshwater gland, which ensures long life on the seal assembly. We found this to be an excellent pump. To say the least, it is a brute. As you can see from this video, Buchanan Pump Service can handle unique pumping situations.